This video is going to cover making the backup with the USB device for the Lab Manager version 7. So you first want to make sure that your USB device is plugged in, and you need to know what drive letter it is. So we're just going to pop this up. I'm using a G drive. Yours might say F or H or whatever letter, but you just need to know where it is on your computer. So let's close out of here. We're going to go into the server tools. To make the backup, you need to make sure that Lab Manager version 7 is completely closed and that everyone else is out of the workstations if you're set up on a multi-user level. And you're going to right-click on the server tools and click on Run as an Administrator. In the server tools, you are going to click on Server, and then backup a company database. You're going to select your company name. So yours is probably an abbreviation of your true lab name. And then you're going to click on Backup Database. It's going to ask you where you want to back up the data, and we're going to tell it our G drive or H or whatever letter yours is. And then we'll wait a few seconds. It will give us a message saying what it's doing. Okay, so the backup is complete. Now this is the backup for your data. So this is your doctors, your products, materials, all your cases, histories, archives. That's everything that you have in your Lab Manager version 7. Now there's also an option in here to back up associated files. So if we click on that, again it's going to ask us what device. So we want to make sure it's the correct device, and click Save. Now this is backing up your other items like custom reports, or it's backing up files that you've stored in there for documentation or photos. Anything that you've saved essentially in your LMDBs under external files in your company name, it will back that information up. So you have those two pieces that if anything ever did go down, you'd have those two pieces. So on your back device, it looks like this portion for your backup, and the other one I didn't actually have anything in there for my my zipped portion, but if I did, it would have the same type of information, your company name, and then have a zipped folder of all your custom items. So you just want to make sure that after you make your backups that it is showing up there. If it is not, then take a look at your drive letter, just make sure you're pointing it to the right item.